Also, the Independent Policing Oversight Authority has moved to court seeking the nullification of the recent recruitment of police officers. This after allegations of corruption marred the recruitment exercise. KTN's Wilkis Tanyabwa has the details.
The Independent Policing Oversight Authority moved to court on Tuesday, seeking to nullify last month's recruitment of 10,000 police officers in the face of allegations that the exercise was marred by corruption. This move coming just a day before the National Police Service Commission, which conducted the recruitment exercise, was scheduled to give a verdict on the allegations. The credibility of the exercise came into question shortly after its completion, with many claiming that there had been corruption, regional imbalance, nepotism and tribalism. Parliament ordered the National Police Service Commission to postpone the date that the recruits were scheduled to report for training. In the meantime, it ordered its Administration and National Security Committee to investigate the allegations. A team comprising investigators from the National Intelligence Service, the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission, the Interior Ministry and the Directorate of Criminal Investigations now says it has received over 600 complaints which it is looking into. Soon after the recruitment, the chairman of the Independent Policing Oversight Authority, Masharian Jeru, held that the allegations of irregularities warranted the repeat of the exercise. But the chairman of the National Police Service Commission, Johnston Kavuludi, has maintained that until an audit proves otherwise, the recruitment can stand as valid. The 10,000 police recruits are now waiting to learn their fate. Wilkis Tanyabwa, KTN.